let's talk about and put together the Twilight Lego house. Hi, my name is Jen and Joe if you didn't know, and I think this is our first full-length Lego video on here. I'm so excited. And for a super cool set of that, you will be seeing and hearing from voiceover Jenna in just a few minutes. But first I wanted to talk a little bit about the set itself.
Hey, it's voiceover Jenna. I thought we could tackle this maybe a little bit differently than I normally would. Usually I would just hold it and try not to break it and try to show you all the different things, but I thought, why not do videos and just input videos and just talk over it, because that's probably going to be the best way to actually showcase it all. This set is 2001 pieces. You get 7 minifigs and it's for 18 and up. And don't worry, you will get to see it get put together in just a second. I just wanted to show you all these different features first. Like here, I'm showing you all the different layers. Here's the top layer. There is cute little Alice. I think that's also Edward's bedroom. Now we're at the second layer. There's Rosalie, and I'm pretty sure the kitchen is in that second layer with maybe that library. I honestly can't remember what exactly is in the second layer, but of course we have to say hi to our little spider-monkey couple, which means any second we should be seeing that bottom row. There we are. We've got the red truck, Jacob, both of the dads. They look so cute, and of course a wolf version of Jacob. If I'm remembering correctly, this set actually started out as one of those Lego ideas. So someone thought of this idea and kind of like made it somewhat, I'm pretty sure, and then people like signed a petition for Lego to actually turn it into a set that you can end up buying. And I'm pretty sure that's how we got this. Either way, I'm so happy we are getting this set in the year 2025. It feels definitely a little weird and not like expected, but definitely not bad. We're not mad at this literally at all. And I'm pretty sure this is the end of this section of the video. It should cue, there we go, to the building half of this video, or I guess the building portion of this video, because it's definitely not half the video. These time lapse, and honestly any of the time lapse that you see are filmed on my iPad, so I kind of just get a chair and set it up and then get to building. So this is that build. It didn't take as long as I initially thought it would. I don't know, I thought it was a lot bigger than it was going to end up, not in a bad way, I just couldn't fully conceptualize it. Sometimes I have an issue with like looking at an online listing and fully being able to imagine it in real life. Like I know they also like give specifications and everything, but I don't know, sometimes I just struggle with that. But now that you've seen the set a little bit, what features do you like? Do you wish that we got more characters? I know I kind of do. Like I wish that could be like a little like side set that could maybe go with the main set with all of the people. I don't know. But then like how do you do all of the people? Who do you limit it to? I understand. I don't know. I'm just trying to share my thoughts and ideas, but I would honestly love to know your thoughts and ideas as well. Put them in the comments. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. And I am going to say this here. I have said this on TikTok with other Lego building videos or other building set videos. If you do catch the one thing that's in this video, like in the comments, if you say it, like, because there is one thing that is maybe slightly off, I'll give you a cookie or like a virtual high five, because there is consistently one thing every once in a while with these videos. But that's all I'm going to say about this, and I'm not going to say it again for at least another few videos. And if you're hearing any outdoor noises, it is because I am currently filming this voiceover outside. I am currently waiting for my little son to get off the bus. He is in first grade, and it is very, very cold on this February morning. Or not morning, it's definitely the afternoon. It feels like the morning because of how cold it is, but it's for sure like 4 p.m. right now. Okay, but let's try to get back on topic. Here is that Twilight house all built, and let's send it back to in real life.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked this video, maybe consider giving it a like, it kind of does help. And if you want to see more of my face, more of this kind of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. As always, I'm always open to your thoughts, opinions, and recommendations in the comments. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!